Hello, this is a very quick look at the EC Technology 8200 DPI gaming mouse. It's quite a large mouse, as you can see. It is wired, so it's very light. There's no batteries held in it. You can see there's a light on top here that's breathing at the moment, so you can switch that so it's either on full time or doing this pulsing. There's a couple of buttons at the side, back and forwards, a couple more on the right hand side. This at the top changes the DPI settings, scroll, and that's about it for the actual mouse. It's quite large compared to previous mice I've had, and I actually don't find this as comfortable in the hand as other mice that I've tested recently. It's okay once you get used to it, but maybe I'm just used to a smaller mouse. Setup of the mouse was very easy. I just had to plug it into the USB port and download the software. Once installed, you can configure a number of different aspects. For example, the light effect, as I was saying before, here we have options on the lighting. So at the moment it's set to breathing, which makes it pulse. And if I just say full, apply, and then the light stays on. You can also switch the light off if you prefer it to be off permanently. At the side here you can see you've got a number of different options on the buttons. You can program each one to do something different, so it's highly customizable, and you can have different profiles. So you may have a specific profile just for desktop use, and then you might want to have a different gaming profile, something like that. Sensitivity, again, you can set each setting differently. So if I now click through, what's nice about this mouse is the light on the top changes when you change sensitivity, so going right up, and as you can see it does make a difference. If I just move the mouse cursor down here a little bit left and right, turn it up, it goes a bit further. So you might use the first setting just to navigate around the desktop. You don't want to be flying around too much, and then you might use the top setting when you're in a first-person shooter and you want to spin around very quickly. Again, you've got other options on clicks and advanced settings, and it's worth taking your time to have a little look at this if you are going to be using this as a gaming mouse. Overall, this is a easy to use system. I think it actually looks a little bit cluttered. I think it's a little bit too much going on. They could do with simplifying the look of it a little bit, but it does work, and once you've got it all set up, you're probably only going to go in if you want to change profiles. Now the buttons on the side, I'm fine with the buttons on the left. I'm used to buttons on the left. The buttons on the right, I'm not quite sure how you're supposed to click them. I've not quite got the hang of that yet. So it's a pretty good mouse overall. I have felt slightly more comfortable mice, including ECTech's own 2400 DPI. I think that's actually got a better feel to it, better ergonomics overall. But if you're looking for something that offers really high DPI for gaming in particular, then this is definitely worth checking out. It's very reasonably priced. If you're interested in checking out this mouse further and seeing some other reviews, I'll put a link to the Amazon product page below. When you click through, you will see my review there again. If you found it useful, please vote it up. Thank you.